this video, I am going to be showing you guys an amazing bot that's basically going to be earning you up to $500 every single day for completely free. Now, I know you guys are going to absolutely love this. It's one of the easiest methods that I've ever heard of in so far. So I know you guys want to get into it. So if you guys want to know exactly what I'm talking about, then make sure you check out. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. All you need is any device available to you, obviously an internet connection, and of course the steps that I'm going to be showing you in today's video, okay? So make sure that you pay very close attention because I am going to be dropping bonus tips and tricks and a lot of suggestions as well that's going to help you make even more money every single day. So make sure that you watch until the very end and let's jump right into it. So the main website that we're going to be using today is called Creative Jobs, and I'm going to give you the exact URL for this website. So, but before that, okay, I'm going to tell you how it all works. And as you can see, they're going to pay you for your time. You don't need any investment. There are different ways that you can actually make money on this website, but we are going to be specifically doing that is actually going to make you the most amount of money without having to do any of the hard work yourself. But if you want to make even more money, more PayPal money, then the software also has a lot of things that you can choose from, like market research typing jobs, proofreading, translation, advertising, and online teaching. And in those multiple ways, you can earn even more money online. And that's only optional, obviously, because even with the just one job that I'm going to be talking about, you're already going to still be earning $500 daily. Now, which is amazing and fantastic. And you're going to see also there are so many testimonials from people all over the world who have been using this website and have already been making free PayPal money before. Like this girl, she's from this country, another person from another country. So clearly you can see that there are a lot of people joining already from all around the world. So anybody can make money using this website. You can work anywhere, anytime, anyway, as little and as much as you want. And you can also earn as little and as much as you want. You don't need to pay for anything because it is completely free. It's been around since 2014, which just means that it is credible and that it is true and legit and trusted, because a lot of people have already been using it and have been getting paid, over all of the years. Now, if you go onto the homepage and then hover your mouse on career, it's going to show you a list of different jobs which you can actually do on this website and you can make free PayPal money from. So if you click on career, it's going to take you to show all of the different categories. There's online paid service, online typing jobs, online ad publishing, medical transcription, and so on and so forth. But what we're going to be focusing on is online proofreading jobs, and that's going to pay you $5 to $10 for 1,000 words. Now, with proofreading, you're basically going to be correcting grammatical errors, removing mistakes. So all you have to do is complete the task, of correcting these errors. And you're not even going to need to be an expert. You don't even need to be fluent in English, because the free software that I am also going to be showing you is going to basically do all of the hard work for you. So you're just going to copy and paste the article into the free software, and it's basically going to do all of the hard work for you. And all you have to do is relax, sit back, and earn your money just like that. And you can do this over and over again, and I'm going to show and explain exactly how this is going to work. If you guys want to learn how you can make even more money online, up to $1,000 every single day, make sure that you check out our description box down below. We have a surprise that you guys will love, and I know that you will. So make sure you check out the description box down below if you want to earn even more money online every single day. I also want you guys to answer this question in the comments down below. What will you do as soon as you receive $500? I'm just curious. And while you're at it, include what country you come from and maybe what other videos you'd like to see in the future so that we can note them down. Anyway, continuing on, just click on online proofreading jobs to know more about it here, and you can find out more about how the job works, the nature of the job, its rates, and how much they're going to pay you. And as you can see, as a proofreader, you're going to be earning $5 to $10 per page, or 4,000 words, one article per page pays you up to $10. Now, I've seen some jobs that are, as long as 50 pages for every article. And if you do the math, that can end up being $500 for one job, and you didn't even have to complete that yourself, because like I've mentioned, the software that I'm going to be showing you is going to do all of the work for you. Now, here's a sample article that I found from this website when I applied for a job. So you are going to be receiving articles just like this one, where you can just open up the document and you're going to see the text over here. And this article is like 3 pages, which means that you can make up to $30 just to complete this task. So what you have to do is to copy the entire article, paste it into our free software. But before we get onto that software, I want to show you how you're going to apply for a job and from where to actually get this article so that you can earn $500 for every single job that you complete. So what you need to do now is go on over to cjinc.info. Now that is the URL of the website. And on the proofreading page, you're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to click for apply jobs right here. And then you're going to click on download application form. And on the following page, you're going to see the registration form, which you're then going to fill out. You're going to select proofreading jobs right here. You're going to enter in your first name, your last name, date of birth, your email address, your gender, your status, your marital status, and your phone number and country. And then now is the most important part, which is you have to be sure to select employed for professional status, and then you're gonna select freelancer. It's gonna help you get even more jobs for 100% sure, and for what hours you're gonna be available to work. I do highly encourage you to select 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. because that basically means you're available the whole entire day, which is obviously what we want. And that's fine because you don't have to complete all the jobs yourself. Like I mentioned, it's going to take you like less than a minute to complete the job, which is obviously amazing. So you can do that anytime, anywhere, so you don't have to sit for the entire day in front of your computer. You can be anywhere you want to be. You can be doing anything you want to be doing. Just receive an email from them. You're going to see you got the job. Just copy the text, paste it into our free software that I'm going to be talking about in a bit. And the free software is going to do it for you. And all you have to do is come back to collect your earnings. Now, for this, I recommend you select multiple companies because you want to work with as many companies as possible so you can make more free PayPal money online. Then you're going to select your payment option and how you want to get paid. And I personally prefer PayPal, so I would select that. And after that, make sure that you read the article before you accept the box. Hit on submit and you're done and have completed the registration form. And now you're going to start to receive the jobs, which are going to look something like this. So they're going to send you an article, but how exactly are you going to correct these grammatical errors, right? Again, you're just going to go through the entire article, copy the entire article, click on copy. Then we're going to go on over to selectwrite.com, and this is a free bot that's going to do all of the work for you. It's going to correct all of the grammatical areas in just a matter of seconds. You can check your grammar in seconds using this, and you can see right here, SlickWrite is a powerful free application that is going to make it easy to check for grammatical errors and potential stylistic mistakes. You just have to paste your text and it's going to do all of the work for you, and you're ready to use it and collect your earnings from creative jobs. Like and subscribe before going any further because it really helps the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be kept updated on all of our videos. And we promise you, you won't regret it. You can also maybe comment down below what you guys are loving so far about today's video so we can read through them and maybe even respond to some. So go do that. And now I am going to get into this free bot. So go on over to selectwrite.com. You can try the demo if you want. So you can just start writing and immediately start to make money. All you have to do is paste the article inside the box,
and if they sent you the file, you can just upload the file right away if you want to, and just right click paste, and that's the entire article. This is the entire project. I'm just going to scroll down a bit. I'll click on the continue button. I'm going to wait for the bot to do all of this work for me, and as you can see, it's completed all of the work. You can see that it underlined all of the grammatical errors and everything that I changed to correct the spelling and all of the grammatical mistakes. And this is the first bot, the first software that's going to do all of the hard work for you. And the second one that you can use is called app.grammarly.com. So you can use Grammarly for completely free. You can even go on Google and search for Grammarly proofreading, and that's going to show you this page where you can paste your text inside of the box. And this box again will underline all of the errors, and when you try to correct them, it's going to do it automatically for you. As you can see, it's going to correct it for me, and I can keep doing that for every single error that I will encounter. And just like that, it's going to take me less than a minute. I can go back to Creative Jobs, submit my project, and get paid anywhere from around the world for like $5 up to $10 to even $100 every single job you're able to complete and accept. Super duper simple, super duper easy copy and pasting. Don't forget, that's cjinc.com. And that is it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.